Hey guys, today we will finish the login screen. I made some changes on design, so in today video we will finish this screen. Add forget password button, sign in with Google button, and the link for don't have account. Okay. So let's go. First, let's go to your app, off and index. That's where where is your screen, and let's continue. So first, let's build this forget your password. I think I can made it with a link. For example, you can use link of export router, and we have a field. So first, let's here, and now we have our field, and for it you can use text, and the text is forget. Let's copy. Password. Let's see. Okay, good. It's a link, and task style is forget password link. Okay, and let's add it here. Stylus. Forget password link. Okay, good. Get password link, and now let's style it. So for font, I use medium. So font family, attempts that fonts that MD, and for color I use this brown. I can define the link color. I think I can call link. I think it's good for your app. So color stamp.colors.link. Okay, and okay, it's good. I think that's it. Let's continue. We have a new button now. We have a login button and sign in with a Google button. Let's build this button. First, I will remove the margin top. Okay, good now. And on your container, I will remove. No, it's wrong. And okay, let's continue. So I think you can remove this margin top for this number. No, maybe 100. Okay, now we have more space here, and now we can build our button. I will copy it to be more fast. Google button, and button text. The dash is single with Google. And now we can download this icon like PNG, and let's copy for our assets. Okay, and it will call Google icon. So we can use image, search Google icon, and here import Google icon. assets, mesh at Google icon, and okay, let's customize our button, button with 100%. The merge is this color. I think it's primary color. So border width 0.5, border color 10.colors.primary, and for padding I will copy its padding H. Okay, and bar radius 10. Okay, good. Let's see. Okay, good. And flex direction whole, and align items center. Okay, and justify content center. I think for gap we can define 10 maybe. Let's see. I think it's good 10. And now Google button text, font family Times MD, I don't know. Yeah, medium, it's okay. Color them.colors.primary. Let's continue. Let me see. And for size 16, font size maybe 6. Yeah, I think it's good. What do you think? It's okay. So now we have to create account link. So link attitude. We define this proprietary attitude because we have to use when we wanna put something inside the link, like a text or image or another things. We have to use attitude flag. Okay, so let's define. Okay, so don't okay, don't have a count yet. I think we can remove this line. Let's get it. Sorry, it's wrong. We have first to define a view and text. First text, and after text we define the link is called create account. Okay, good. Have to define text and create account link. So view, I will define standard create styles dot create account link container, create account text or title, I think, and now create account link. Okay, it's good. I have to define a graph. Sync up, no, maybe it just for don't have errors on your code. And let's go. So create account title and create account link. Good, so let's style it. For account, for container, we'll define row, okay, because let's reload the app. Okay, here I don't know what. Okay, now it's good. And we align items. We will align items on center and justify content. We can let one is okay, good, and this is the link. So let's customize the title. For title I use regular, so font family, then dot fonts dot text. Okay, good, it's good. The letters is more, you know, I find the error. Okay, now it's good. And now let's choose it. And now let's define the font family. For link, fonts dot bold, dot MD. Okay, color temp dot colors dot primary. I think it's good. I don't think you have to do more things. So let's fix the email. I think was a large space here. So let's cut this space on for container. Maybe third. I don't know. 30. Okay, I think it's good. For now it's good. You just finish the login screen, and in the next video we will choose sign up and create account, and we will continue. So tell me if it's liking this video. Please let your comment here, and let's talking about everything. Okay, I will provide the Figma link on the description of this video and the repository, okay, for GitHub. So thank you so much, and if you wanna talk with me, you can make it in LinkedIn or my email. Okay, so thank you guys.